What's going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dividend. I'm just going to go over my M1 Finance portfolio. Stocks did take a big hit, and I probably will start throwing money in my M1 Finance portfolio just because stocks are down. I did say in my previous video that I was going to throw some money in and then wait a year, but just because stocks are down so much, I need to get my M1 Finance portfolio rolling a little bit because I did lose some money. I'm down $207.97, and my return is down. And the stock market took a big hit, which I see itself recovering shortly. So this is what I'm going to do right now. Here's an update on my portfolio. My goal is to make it to $100,000, probably grow it even more. It's going to be, I'm planning on doing it for at least 10 years, so I'm not trying to be like a high roller. I know it's going to take time, but if I throw in maybe $150 to maybe $125 a month and then throw in $25 to my E-Trade account just on stocks, just to get things to grow and such, I think that's realistic. All I need is, once I probably get to $10,000, that's when the things start rolling. That's when the money starts flowing and everything. So it's going to take time. I mean, you have to be patient. If you're a dividend investor, you got to take time. So here's my update on it. IIPR, I'm at $93.82 a share at it. I have 5.38 shares. It's going to go up. IIPR is really nice. It gives off a special dividend, I'm pretty sure, and it's 4.35%. So if I can get at least 10 shares in these guys, I'm going to be really happy, and I'm going to be rolling. So if I throw money in, it's going to be nice. Next is AT&T. They give off a great dividend. It's right around, let's see, how many shares do I have? 13.22 shares. It's at $38.30. Gives off a 5.91% dividend. The market cap's $254.9 billion, so that's just going up. I'm really happy that I put AT&T in. I will post a future video of a monthly dividend strategy that you can have with your stocks. So far, it's really paying off for me, and I'm really happy with the results. So I'm still going to mix and match a little bit so that I can get this to grow a little bit faster. I did have some big ones with wildcard ones that I'm going to add eventually, which I'm excited to do in the long run once I start growing and getting bigger. That way some of these stocks can grow, and it'll help me get to $100,000. Quarterly stocks, QYLD, I have a little bit in there, 4% right now. JQC, that's a high credit strategy. It's kind of like a junk bond. I just need to get some money each month to add up. It's not going to be a lot, but it's just something to add some extra cash in. Same thing with Prospect Capital. It's so cheap, so you might as well just throw some money in. QYLD, it's about $20-some a share right now. But JQC and Prospect are kind of cheap. So the more money that I start making, the more I can start just adding into my monthly dividend portfolio, and these guys will help a little bit. Hormel Foods, that's another one that's really popping right now. So I needed to capitalize on that as well. Iron Mountain is a real estate investment trust. I'm pretty sure it's January, April, I think. I'd have to look real quick, but it's going to help me with my monthly dividend portfolio. I know it's, I will show you guys a future video again of my strategy with my stocks that can help you with your M1 Finance portfolio. And I also have a Fundrise portfolio. So a lot of you guys, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, because I have a very diverse portfolio, and I want you guys to expand your portfolio to help you out. Pfizer, they took a little bit of a hit. I have 13.60 shares. That's going to go back up. Pfizer, I can tell you right now, right in front of me, I have multivitamins. They have so many things that they sell on the shelves. It's a really good company, and I'm just surprised it's so low. So if I were you, I would look into Pfizer to have this in your dividend portfolio. I will do a stock analysis on them to show you why I think it's a really good stock right now. So just keep an eye on Pfizer right now as a stock. 4.55% dividend yield. Market's starting to wake up, so you need to capitalize on some of these stocks. Next is Coca-Cola. Coke has just increased its dividend just about every year, and it's done really well. What's going on here? Come on, computer. There we go. So I'm at $454.88 right now. I have 8.50 shares. So hopefully once I get to 10 shares, things start rolling. So that's going to take time again. Once the this is going to start fixing itself. So I'm really happy with what I see with this dividend yield. It's going to go up. I need to at least get this at 10, and that's when things are going to start rolling. So really, to compensate stuff, I'm going to pick up shifts to cover this. I'm going to get ready for while I get ready for graduate school, and I'm going to have some money go into my dividend portfolio, and I'm going to have some going into my M1 Finance account, like I said. So this is a new one that I found just on Google and search it. Brookfield Infrastructure Partners Limited. So these guys are kind of like, they own like everything when it comes to energy and water. I'll just show you these guys real quick, just some information on Brookfield. Here's Brookfield, okay, but here's the S&P when it took a hit. Here's Brookfield. I'll have to do a stock analysis on this just to describe the stock and why it's really good. Here we go. So it owns different kinds of infrastructure, including telecommunications, God, I can't talk today, water, utility, and energy around the world. Its business is built entirely on the premise of recession and inflation-resistant assets that can generate steady and growing cash flows. So this price per share has increased over time. And it gives off a nice 4.5% dividend yield. So this is one that you might want to link into. And then here's I needed to add an energy stock, so I added ExxonMobil to my arsenal. And these dividends are going to start flowing. Can't wait till I get to about, maybe around 10 shares or so. So I'm at 2.79 shares right now. That'll go up over time, and once these dividends start reinvesting, this is when things are going to start rolling. So, it's a lot of these companies. ExxonMobil is a very solid organization, and you need something with oil and something. So these guys are something that will help you out. So, I know there's some projects on them, but these guys, I feel really good. A lot of people have these in their dividend portfolio arsenal. Next is WestRock Company. Oh, this is taking a little bit. So WestRock, I have $123.77. I have 3.70 shares right now. So WestRock is a company that owns like a lot of. Let's see. I'll have to do a dividend analysis on that one just to explain why I like it. But they own a lot of things. In here's just some information. WestRock. This will again. This gives off dividends at a certain point. Here's WestRock. Here's Zacks, which I did a review on Zacks. I'll have to explain why I invested in them. Here we go. Basic Materials. These guys are really nice. So just look into these guys as well. I think they're a hot stock. Today I just bought Newell Brands as well. I will show you a dividend analysis on that. But I just want to give you really good updates on my portfolio to help you guys make some passive income. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button, the notification bell, so you don't miss future videos. You guys have been fantastic. I'm getting a lot more followers. So let me know what you guys have in your dividend portfolio. Let me know how you guys are doing. Are you guys in the journey for $100,000? I would love to hear about you guys doing well and making passive income. So I made this channel to help you guys out and to show you what I like and some things that I don't like. So it's always good to have multiple, integrate with a lot of people and have your own philosophy, and then you can change your philosophy on how you generate passive income. So that's why I made this channel. I watch a lot of people's channels as well. If you subscribe, make sure you post on my wall. Let me know how you're doing, and let's go from there. All right, let's make some money and be smart. Pick up some shifts. That's what I've been doing recently. I'm picking up tonight because I threw some money in. So I just want this to start rolling and go from there. So thank you guys again. You guys have been fantastic, and you guys have a good one.